believe it or not, happened and was written in the month of Ramadan, as the month of the Quran. And so it was quite fascinating when I started to go through the various narratives and verses of the Quran and try to collect them and put them side by side, and looking at the methodology of Izutsu, to try to understand the verse by itself, the content of the verse, then the occasion of the revelation, its relation to the previous verses, as well as its relation and its interconnectedness with the entire chapter which was being presented in, as well as the entire Quran, when it is side by side looked at with the other verses that Bala and Ibtila or other variances are put together. And I had no